Hello folk, well today I'm going to show you how to make naan bread. No curry is complete without naan bread in my opinion. So why don't you join me in the kitchen, but before you join me in the kitchen, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. I'm Colin and this is Culinary Delights.
Add 2 1/4 teaspoons of instant yeast to half a cup of lukewarm water. Give it a good stir and let it stand for around about 10 minutes to activate the yeast. In a large mixing bowl, add 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add to the flour 3 tablespoons of olive oil, or you could use ghee or preferably melted butter. Pour the yeast mixture into the bowl. Add half a cup of plain yogurt. With a spoon, mix the ingredients together. Then, with your hand, incorporate the ingredients thoroughly. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes until the dough becomes smooth and no longer sticks to your hand. Cover the bowl with a damp cloth or cling wrap. Place the bowl in a warm area for 1 hour. I usually heat the oven for about 90 seconds and then place the bowl into the oven. Make sure the oven is not too hot for this. You just want to use 90 seconds just to create a little bit of a warm environment inside the oven. After 1 hour, the dough should have doubled in size. However, if it did not rise enough, it's okay because the dough will be rolled out flat later. Cut the ball of dough into 8 equal pieces and make a rough ball using your hands. Heat a pan to medium heat. While the pan is heating up, roll out your first piece of dough to about 1/4 inch thick, which is about 5 millimeters thick. Once the pan is hot, brush either with ghee or olive oil on the surface. Carefully place the rolled out dough in the pan. The dough will begin to develop bubbles. This is what gives the naan bread its unique characteristics. Flip over and cook for another 30 to 45 seconds. Once cooked, place on a plate and repeat the process until all 8 pieces of dough have been cooked. Just place each cooked naan bread on top of the other. The first naan bread usually cooks a little differently to the rest. I call this piece the chef's portion. If you'd like another take on this recipe, add a teaspoon of either garlic powder or onion powder, or combine both for a delicious, unique flavor. And there we have it, the perfect naan bread. Good for any occasion and simply delicious with a bowl of freshly made curry.
So we have finished making the naan bread, and now I'm going to give it a little bit of a taste. This is such an amazing recipe. You will absolutely love it. I enjoy having this naan bread when I have my curries. Right, so let me go ahead and have a bit of a taste. Really good. Very soft. Got a nice fluffiness to it. Great flavor. You've got to try this at home. Now that is lekker.